Trip to Mysore-Ooty and Coorg Part 2. Before this, we visited Mysore and Coorg. If you want to watch that journey, the link for the Part 1 is in the description below. Day 5. We reached to Ooty and in the morning we were on our way to visit some attractions. First attraction of our day was Pine Forest. Here a lot of 90s Bollywood movies were filmed. We also took some great pictures here. Then we visited 9th Mile Shooting Point. This is also a famous location for 90s Bollywood movies. Then we went to see the tea factory. Here they showed us how real we also got to drink sample tea over there. After watching the tea factory, on our way we also visited the chocolate factory. Then our next destination was the botanical garden. It was such a huge garden and the flowers were so colorful and it looked so. We enjoyed a lot in this garden. Then we visited OOTY Lake. We were tired so we did not shoot any videos there, but it was such a beautiful place. Now day 6, which was the final day. We left our hotel and were on our way to COONOOR. On our way to COONOOR, we stopped at the tea plantations and the view there was so amazing. It felt so nice. We clicked a lot of good pictures there. There are photographers there who would give you costumes and click your pictures. Then we visited Dolphins Nose. all we could see there was fog, but it was a different experience. Then on our way to Lamb's Rock, we went through this road and it was such a spectacular feeling. It felt like we were going through some fantasy land. It felt so peaceful and amazing. Then on our way, we had lunch at a restaurant and the view from there was so amazing. There was a monkey who also snatched our food, but apart from that, the view was so nice. Our next destination was our most liked one, which was Lamb's Rock, because while going to the viewpoint, the road was so amazing. It felt like we were going through a jungle and it was so peaceful. There we hired a guide who showed us different spots and he also took pictures for us. At the top of the Lamb's Rock, the view was so amazing. It felt like we were on the clouds and it was splendid. Then the last destination for our trip was Sims Park. We were a bit tired, but still the kids enjoyed this park a lot. Then after that we left COONOOR and came to Coimbatore airport to take a flight to Pune. Then we took off to Pune with some amazing memories with us through this journey. We will never forget and we will keep these memories with us for the rest of our life. So if you want to watch more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching. Bye.